Ladies and gentlemen, this entire vlog will be presented to you by, not sponsored, but GoPro Hero 11. GoPro hollered at your boy for number 12. I got my email and I was like, let's do it. Now everything on this video is gonna be with the GoPro Hero 11, like I just mentioned. Currently it is 5:38 a.m. It is still dark outside. We're on the tail end of our morning rides. The weather is beautiful, but as it's starting to head into fall-ish, not quite there yet, we'll probably be resuming our afternoon rides. But I want to get more night rides in the books and probably another morning ride before that does transpire. Anyway, we're also going to be testing out the audio quality. Obviously, we're in low light as well. This is supposed to have a lot better low light than its predecessor. And we have 5.0 hyper stabilization. So of course, we're going to be testing that out on the trail. Heading to my brother's house. I got my new bike rack on. Really enjoy it. I'll talk more about that to you in a little bit. Well, you're either heading for your morning workout this early in the morning. I sure am. But these folks are probably hitting the gym before work. Little Don Shreddies. Start with a little tech. Woo! Gotta watch your, dang it, wrong line. Go left. Whoop. Wow. Yeah. So this is Palmer Park. We got Pikes Peak right in front of us, 14,000er. Yeah, hold it. Now we're gonna do climby Johnny, Tech Johnny to climby Johnny. All right, here we go, Joe. Get it. Whoa, that is Don Shred. Get that, there it is. There's the daybreak. So it needs to be right about there. Bell. I did. I think you knew. Mm-hmm. Woo! Man, you need that leverage. Hope. Nickname this Little Moab. Whoop! Oh, that seat. So for the viewers at home, I broke my dropper post cable, so my seat is all the way up. Not good. Oh yeah, definitely not doing this. Wow. I'm not doing that with the seat up. Go around. Wow. Nice. Wow. Yeah. Viewers at home, I apologize, but with a seat up, that is a childbearing mistake. I'm trying to have some little groms one day. So we walk a bike, kind of kill your pride a little bit. We got to walk a bike a little bit. Wow. Hoop, 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 hoop. There we go. Hoop, hoop. Nice. Good turn there, Maverick. Right turn at Albuquerque. Yep. Whoop. Oh yeah. Sun coming in the trees. Don Shred. Oh boy. Here we go, starting it out. start it off. I call it the Widowmaker. Side left. See, the problem, folks, is that without that seat down, you got no leverage to hit the drops or the jumps because your seat's in the way. Whoop. And turns are definitely harder as well because you can't get that 0G gravity. But we'll try. And if you go behind the seat and get back up, your shorts get caught. Woo! Yeah, buddy. Tight right hip. Oh! Ah! Tight right. We climb the top here. Hi, baby. You all right? Hi, baby.
She thinks you guys are sheep.
I know, for a Tuesday. Yep, all off-leash dog park at the top of the climb. Hi, baby. You got your tennis ball? All right, mission. Get back to the car in 10 flat. That's the secret military base location over there. Little slip. Whoa! Oh, yeah. Which was no boy. Oh, yeah. I can't get my shorts back. If I do that, it's hard for me to get back on the seat. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Oh, that's a tree. Ooh, that sunshine. Watch out for the cars if you do bring your pups up here. And then obviously watch for cars yourself. And then for our final descent, punch off the road right over yonder, which you would normally have your seat down. Lord bless us, protect us, keep us safe. Whoop. Big hit here. Whoa! There we go. Ah, see. I mean, you can still hit these jumps, but you just gotta watch your future children. Oh yeah. Nice little double. Here we go. Little sewer drain, little jump, little flare. And oh, tight right. Watch out for hikers. Hello, how are you? Got one more behind me. You have a fantastic day. Okay, here we go, folks. Gonna cut left. Gotta keep up with Slappy Dappy. Cross over. Here we go. This is where we start ripping. We got a little bit of fall color coming in. Watch your turns. Take your berms. Here we go. There we go, nice hit. Whoa, sandbox. There we go. Yeah, a little sandy. There we go. Little Hasselhoff. And that's where we park over there to the right. Nice. It's a small parking lot, so if it fills up, park over here on this street here. You do have an outhouse in the bathroom right over here. Nice parking lot. Good rip. Home sweet home. Back at it. Yeah, clean my window. What's nice about the GoPro is that I'm not used to this front-facing screen right here. It's a little bit for vlogging. I think this is too wide of screen. You're like, looking good. Looking real strong. Oh, my babies. Yes, my baby. I know. It is gonna be nap time after a shower. Isn't she the cutest thing in the whole wide world? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Did you wipe your feet before you got into bed? Stinky Binky. Stinky Binkies. Bedtime. Good night, baby. What are you doing, Stinky? No, go on your side. All right, let's take a look at the dropper post. Unfortunately, now I had it in super view while I was writing. I wanted it nice and wide angle, but now this is called linear. Now, my buddy Joe that we were riding with, he did have a tool that he puts in his pack. I could have dropped it down this much manually, but there was so much climbing as well. It's kind of a roller coaster. It just wasn't worth to drop it even that much. And to be honest with you, that trail, I'm glad my cable broke with seat up because there is a lot of climbing. Let's go ahead and take a look at my lever here. As you can see here, it just wasn't, I just didn't have it properly installed. There was a little excess of cable right here. And so whenever I did this, it worked, but unfortunately, started slicing it a little bit. There you can see it pulling just a little bit, but it's not pulling enough to drop the seat. I mean, if I really wanted to, I could have had like some needle nose pliers or something like that yanking on that, but that's no fun. So, but I do not recommend downhill or turns with a seat in a full upright position. Oh, we bounced pretty good too. Look at that. Look at that. We were bouncing around a little bit. I'll tell you what, looking really good. It's time for just a little bit of sunshine. Get a little vitamin D. We got the Yeti right there. We're gonna crank up some coffee in the system. Only thing about dawn shredding days, kind of jacks me up, to be honest with you. After the nap, you wake up from the nap and you're like, where am I? What day is it? What is going on in the world? Let's kick the feet up a little bit. Little Brie is out here just chilling. Let's have a little devotion time. Again, not too much time in the sun. You are up higher. We're at 7100 elevation here at the house. The sun will cook you pretty quick, so be careful about that. What time is it, baby? It's barbecue time, baby. It's barbecue time. What are those? Those are St. Louis ribs. Gonna flip them. Flip them. What do? You flip them. What does that mean, Chris? It means you grab them by the meat and you flip them. And when you flip them, that means you're grilling both sides. We're looking good, we're feeling good. Chris only barbecues with Weber. Weber heats it to the perfect temp. We don't mess around with any of this nonsense. Weber, W-E-B-E-R, Weber.